Hi everyone, welcome back to the 30-day SEO course by Knowledzehub. Today we are on day 3 and we will be diving into an important topic, SEO terminology. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, understanding key SEO terms is essential for building a strong foundation. So before going to the SEO terminology, we'll just see what we learn in the day 1 and day 2. Here is the roadmap of our 30-day SEO course. I'm giving this PDF link in each and every YouTube description. So please download it and keep it handy so that we both are in same page like what we have covered on day 1 and day 2. Just let's see. On day 1, we discussed what is SEO. Understanding it's important in driving organic traffic and improving website visibility and types of SEO, on-page, off-page, technical SEO. All these points we have covered in day 1. Coming to day 2, we learned what is search engine, how search engine works, and what is crawling, indexing, and ranking. These we have covered in the day 2. Today we will be focusing on SEO terminology, which is crucial to understand and implementing effective SEO strategies. So let's go back to our today's topic. What is SEO terminology? Before we dive into the technicalities of SEO, it's important to understand the language of SEO itself. Like every industry, SEO has its own set of terms and jargon that are used frequently. Without knowing these terms, it becomes difficult to grasp advanced SEO concepts. Understanding this terminology is the first step towards mastering SEO strategy effectively. In this session, we will go through the most essential SEO terms that we need to know. First, we will see basic SEO terms. SEO. The full form of SEO is search engine optimization. It refers to the practice of optimizing websites to improve their visibility in search engine results. So, as we discussed earlier, there are a lot of search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. When it comes to China, they will use Andex. So there are a lot of search engines are there in the market. So we will focus mainly on Google because as I mentioned earlier, 96% of searches whatever happening in the internet, those are happening on Google. So that is the reason we are focusing on Google. Next, SERP. The full form of SERP is search engine result page, which means search engine results page. This is the page you see after typing a query into Google or any search engine. Just I will show you. You guys know that, but still. So when this is the Google search engine, when we type something by laptop, so here results are coming. So this is the SERP. The terms which we are using to get the information, this is called as the keyword. In SEO terminology, this is called as the keyword. This keyword refers to phrases that users type into search engines when looking for information. Targeting the right keyword is essential for SEO. So here if you see, this is the sponsored ad. Okay, from here these are the organic results. Okay, so you don't think much about, you guys don't think much about that what exactly the terminology is, like what is keyword, what is SERP, what is on-page. Don't think much about it. Just we are I'm trying to explain what exactly the key term is. So the concept behind the key terms, like what exactly the keyword, how to do the keyword research, which are the good keywords to target. These we will cover in our next sessions. Just to make you familiar about these terms, just I'm explaining you these terminologies. Okay, let's go back to our PPT. So organic traffic. Organic traffic is the term used for visitors who come to your website from unpaid search results without clicking on ads. Just I have shown you, right, without clicking on ads, just who are coming not from these sponsored ads, just who are clicking on these results and coming to our website. So that is called as the organic traffic. Crawler spiders. So even we have discussed these crawlers and spiders in our yesterday's session. What is search engine and how search engine works. So crawler or spider refers to bots used by search engines to scan and index web pages. So they can appear in search results. So and lastly, LSA keyword. Uh, LSA keyword, this is related terms that help search engines understand content related semantic indexing. We will see this what exactly this term even in our next session, like keyword research section. Okay, let's go back to on-page SEO terms. First, the title tag. This is an HTML tag that defines the title of a web page. It appears in the search engine results and browser tabs, playing in a key role in SEO ranking. So just let me show you for understanding purpose what is title. Here whatever the heading you guys are seeing for each and every result, that is the title. Okay, what is the title length and what is the description length, this we will see later sessions, but just to make you understand, this is the title. In each and every result, title will be there. This is the title here when it comes to Reliance Digital result. Okay, same way this is the description. This is the description of that web page. Okay, so next, the description. So as I mentioned, meta description is a brief summary of a page's content. While it doesn't directly affect rankings, a well written meta description can increase click through rate. Next is alt text. Alt text is also called as alternative text, describes images on our website. It helps search engine understand the content of images and also improves accessibility of for users with visual implementations. And next one is internal links. So internal links are hyperlinks that connect one page of our website to another page on the same site. They help in site navigation and distribute page authority. So here just I will show you one example like what is internal linking, how it looks like. Let's say if we go to one website called knowledgehub.com. So here if you see any one web page, so if you see here, so this is called as the anchor text. So and if I click on this, uh, this will redirect to some other page of this knowledge hub. So they have linked from here to another page. So this is called as the internal link. Okay. Coming back to our slide. So lastly, URL slug. URL slug is the SEO friendly part of the URL. It should be short, descriptive, and include relevant keywords to improve search visibility. So mastering these on-page elements is crucial for effective SEO. Okay, let's move on to off-page SEO terms. So first we have a backlink. These are the links from other websites that point to our site. Backlinks are considered as votes of confidence by search engines, improving your authority. And we'll see what is the backlink, how we should get, what kind of backlinks we should get in later sessions. Just here, just focus on terminology. And domain authority. Domain authority is a score developed by Moz. This is not official by Google, but Moz is giving some ratings based on different factors like backlinks and engagement rate. Based on all these SEO factors, Moz is giving a domain authority. The higher domain authority, the better our site chances of ranking. Next, link building. So link building is the process of acquiring these valuable backlinks through different strategies like guest posting, outreach, or content marketing. By doing this all activities, we will generate some backlinks. That is called as the link building. And coming to anchor text, as I shown you earlier, uh, when uh, when we will link to a particular keyword, that is called as the clickable text in a hyperlink. Search engines use it to understand the context of the linked pages. So using relevant keywords here is important. So when it, I will show you example. So here this is internal link actually, but even for backlink also same. Uh, Internal link is nothing but linking uh, of within our website. So one of our web page to link to another web page is called as the internal linking. When it comes to backlink, getting the links from other websites. Okay, here this is the anchor text, and the keyword which we have used here is AI will replace all jobs. So this is the keyword. This keyword or key term or anchor text we should use relevant one, relevant to our content. Let's say here AI will replace all jobs. So the content which is going to be here in this web page, it should be relevant to this key term. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. So here, if you see AI versus human jobs, what's safe and what's not. So that key term, AI will replace all jobs. So this is related to jobs only, like whether AI will replace all jobs, how it will replace. This is the meaning of this key term. So we have given link from AI here from this anchor text to from this web page. So it makes sense, like even this is talking about AI versus human jobs, what's safe or what not safe. So it is relevant. So the choosing of the anchor text is very much important. We will see this even in detail in our later sessions. Okay. First one is NAP. It stands for name, address, and phone number. Maintaining NAP consistency across directories is crucial for local SEO, helping businesses appear in local search results. Um, Off-page SEO boosts our website's credibility and visibility beyond our own site. Okay, and let's move to next, technical SEO terms. So there are a lot of terms related to technical SEO also. We can we have covered the major important key terms here. First one is indexing. Indexing refer to the process of adding our web pages to a search engine's database. Only indexed pages can appear in search result. So this indexing, crawlability, and ranking, these three we have seen in our day 2 class, that is yesterday. So just if you have a doubt, just go back to day 2 video and then refer that video so that you will get a clarity. Crawlability is the easy with which search engine bots can access and navigate through our website. Site that's as easy to crawl is more likely to get fully indexed. The next one is XML sitemap. XML sitemap. Even there are two types of sitemaps. One is XML and one more is HTML. The XML sitemap is created purely for bots to understand what are the pages are there in our website. HTML sitemap is for humans. So just to understand like what are the web pages are there in our website. This is special file that lists all the important URLs of our website, helping search engines discover and index our content efficiently. And robots.txt file is another important file. It tells search engine crawlers which pages they are allowed to crawl and which one they should avoid. Next one is canonical URL. This one helps prevent duplicate content issues. It tells search engine which version of a URL should be considered the main or preferred version for ranking. And next one is schema markup. The schema markup is purely for search engines and in fact LLMs also. The schema markup, this code helps search engines understand the data, what exactly we have to rank better in search engines. Special features like people also ask questions, and earlier there was answer box. Just to give you a brief about this, just we'll go back to Google Incognito, and here I will show you. See here, people also ask if we want to rank here, so we should. add these schemas. And here if you see, all are question and answers. Most of them are question and answers. So here Walmart is ranking. So for the they might have implemented the schemas very well, so that is the reason they are ranking in the. They have implemented schema codes. So I will show you like in our next sessions, like what is schema, how schema should implement to rank here. But for now, just understand what is schema. Okay. And core web vitals. So these core web vitals is metrics for page load speed, interactivity, stability, like how fast our website is loading and how interactive. So these are the technical SEO terms. Next, common SEO terms. So all these terms are metrics of the SEO. So if you want to calculate or how our website is performing, so we will see all these metrics in analytics, Google Analytics, and in Google Search Console. These are the two different tools, so which we will use to measure the SEO performance. So first one is impressions. Impressions is nothing but the number of times our web page appearing in search results. Let's say 100 searches are happening for a single keyword in Google. Let's say buy laptop online. So 100 people search same key query in the Google search. So if let's say Amazon ranked on the first position. So Amazon got 100 impressions. If out of 100, if any one click on this, they got one click and 100 impressions. Okay. And sessions is nothing but number of visits to our website, as I mentioned earlier. This average position, like average rank in search results, like which position on in SRP where we are ranking, that is the average position. Conversion rate. So conversion rate is nothing but measuring how many visitors complete a desired action, like making a purchase or filling a form. When it comes to here, this example, buy laptop online. So Amazon is ranking on first position. Let's say 100 people searched buy laptop online in the Google. So out of 100 impressions got Amazon. So out of 100, one guy clicked on Amazon website. So they got one click and 100 impressions. So and if they click on buy now or something, then that is the one action. So that is called as the conversion. So conversion rate will calculate based on the how many visitors coming to the website divided by how many conversions happen into 100. That is the conversion rate formula. Okay. And next one is page per session. So it shows the average number of pages a user visit each time they come to our website. So let's say one user has come to my website, knowledgehub.com. So on average, how many pages they are seeing on my website? That is the page per session. Next is bounce rate. It tells you the percentage of visitors who leaves our site after viewing only one page, which can indicate engagement issues. Finally, CTR. Click Click-through rate measures how often users click on our link after seeing it in search results. So to wrap up, learn SEO terminology is essential as it builds a strong foundation for more advanced strategies. These basic terms are the building blocks of SEO knowledge. Remember to revisit and practice these terms often. The more familiar you are with the terminology, the easier it becomes to apply SEO concepts effectively. So in the next session, we will dive into the keyword research, which will be our focus for day 4. So as I mentioned earlier, our 30 days roadmap of SEO course I have added in this description, YouTube description. Please feel free to download it. Let's meet tomorrow to discuss on keyword research. Thank you.